The 1964 Kennedy half-dollar stands as one of the most iconic and emotionally significant coins in United States history, introduced shortly after the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, making it not just currency, but a symbol of national memory and tribute. Struck in 90% silver, this coin already carries intrinsic metal value. But what truly excites collectors is the possibility of rare varieties, exceptional condition pieces, and unusual mint characteristics that can push its worth far beyond face value. Coins minted in Philadelphia bear no mint mark, while those from Denver carry a small D. And although millions were produced, only a tiny fraction survive today in pristine, untouched condition that collectors call gem quality. The difference between an ordinary circulated coin and a sharply struck, flawless example can be dramatic, with high-grade specimens selling for hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auctions. Some specially prepared 1964 SMS, special mint set, coins believed to have been struck in extremely limited numbers with a unique satin finish, are among the most mysterious and valuable, often reaching astonishing prices due to their rarity and uncertain origin. A deeply mirrored proof coin with strong contrast between frosted design and glossy background can also command impressive premiums, especially if preserved without scratches, haze, or wear. While stories of coins worth millions overnight are often exaggerated, the truth is that certain rare combinations of condition, strike quality, and collector demand can indeed transform an ordinary-looking half-dollar into a highly sought-after treasure. The historical context adds emotional value, as this was the only year the coin was produced in 90% silver for general circulation, making it a key date for both investors and history enthusiasts. Careful examination is essential, as factors like sharp hair detail on Kennedy's portrait, clean eagle feathers on the reverse, and absence of contact marks greatly influence value. Even small differences can separate a common coin from a standout collectible that captures serious attention in the market. For anyone holding a 1964 half-dollar, it's not just about spending it casually, but about recognizing its story, its silver content, and the potential hidden within its condition. In the world of coin collecting, knowledge and patience are what truly unlock value. And this particular coin remains a powerful reminder that sometimes history, metal, and rarity come together to create something far more valuable than it first appears.